Dhgate promo codes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you Dhgate promo codes that you can use while making purchase in the Dhgate official website. So in order to get the promo code or the coupon code, all you have to do is just simply come to the official website of the Dhgate, and after that just simply log into your account if you haven't logged in into your account already. And if you don't have the account in the Dhgate, just simply click on join and sign in button from the top right corner in the screen, and from there just simply create an account for yourself. And after that just simply open another tab, and on the search bar just simply search for Dhgate coupon codes or promo codes, and you will be able to get different options as a search result. And in order to get the Dhgate promo codes, just simply click on the first or the second link as of your choice, and as soon as you click on it, you will be able to see a bunch of different coupon codes that are available in the Dhgate's official website. Just simply click on show coupon code, whatever you like the most. So I'm taking the first one, and click on the copy. So this is basically the coupon code that will save you 10% of the money while making the purchase in the Dhgate official website. And after that just simply go to the website and select the product that you would want to get. For example, I want to get this one. Just simply put it in your cart and just simply enter your shipping details like your address, your email address and other things. And over here, in order to apply the promo code or the coupon code, just simply come to the right hand side of the screen, and you will be able to see the option called enter coupon code here, and simply just paste the coupon code right here and click on apply. And your coupon code will be applied as soon as you enter your details. It will check whether you are a first time buyer on the Dhgate official website or not, and as soon as it will detect that you are a first time user of the Dhgate, you will be able to avail the coupon code that you have just copied from the different website. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to get the Dhgate coupon code or promo code. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.